For this video we need a waste mosquito bat. I think it's there in my storeroom. So let's get it. Today we'll be making a useful device for the kitchen from this one. I'm sure guys you will not throw this after watching this video. And here is a circuit which we actually need. So let's get started. I got another one which is quite smaller in size, so I'm using this. And guys, if you want to know how to make this electronic screwdriver at home, you can watch that video here in the I button. This is the circuit, and now we'll remove it. It did not have a battery. Let's test whether the circuit is working or not. So I'm connecting this to the 5V power supply. Yes guys, it's working fine, and if you are trying this, be careful because it's very dangerous. As there was no battery, I am using this one, and it's not necessary if your battery is in good condition. We have completed with all the works, and it's the time for testing. I hope you guys like this video, and you can also easily try this at home, but be careful while using. Thank you for watching this video guys, and if you want to learn Arduino programming, with a line by line code explanation. You can check out my channel playlist. And also for more updates, follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video.